Hi everyone, I'm Anita Bhusal and I'm a PhD student at University of Sydney and one based in CRC. I'm based in Narrabri, New South Wales. I'm working on ecological and physiological functioning of native grass production system. I'm taking a multi-scale approach to understand how these grasses germinate, function and grow under stress conditions and recover from common disturbances such as grazing in the real world field conditions. In the lab, I'm testing various traditional dormancy breaking techniques and also emerging technologies such as cold plasma to improve their germination. In the glasshouse, I'm testing how these grasses function and grow under stress conditions by applying water limitation and taking rapid physiological measurements to understand their functioning under the stress condition. I'm also testing different nutrient availability conditions and to see the responses of these grasses to different nutrient availability. And in the field, I'm testing how these grasses recover from different grazing conditions by applying cutting treatments, and I'm using biomass sampling and image phenotyping to see their recovery over a 12 months period of time to different cutting conditions. I'm using a system, digital imagery system called Literal to understand how these grasses recover over a 12 months period of time. Native Australian grasses have enormous potential to support resilient farming systems and landscapes, but major knowledge gaps limit their wider use. By combining lab, glasshouse, and field experiments, I aim to develop the comprehensive understanding of native grass production systems in the landscapes. This research identifies resilient species and management strategies that can support more sustainable farming systems and resilient landscapes, particularly in the context of changing climate. I am a third year PhD student. I have completed my laboratory germination experiments and a water limitation physiological functioning experiment in the glasshouse. And I have nutrient dose experiment in the glasshouse which is ongoing, and biomass sampling and image phenotyping experiment in the field is still ongoing and will be completed in the end of the year. The next step is to complete nutrient availability and field experiments, integrate laboratory, glasshouse, and field data sets, and develop recommendations for resilient native grass production system. Thank you everyone, and I hope to meet you everyone at the One Mason CRC annual event in Renmark, South Australia. Thank you.